Hey guys, just gonna do sort of a kind of cold start and show you what I've been working on. Latest mod, straight pipe. Show you how I did this. Very simple. Oh, another thing too I did was put a hook so the hood doesn't jump off when I'm driving it. Just have to use both hands. It's a little tighter than I wanted it to be, but it's fine. Hooks like that, but it keeps the hood from flying off. So just went to Home Depot, and bought 1-inch pipes. These are 4 inches, and then a couplet and this is all 1 inch wide. And I got a 1-inch couplet, 1 inch by 4, went right into the exhaust hole and comes out, and then put a couplet, and then another 4-inch 1-inch pipe, and then an elbow 90 degrees up to this 2 feet pipe. Works very nicely, very nicely. Gets really hot really fast. I'll show you what I'm doing. I bought an extra couplet, show you why. And I took this old round exhaust and I'm gonna weld this couplet onto the piece of the exhaust like that, so I can screw that on to here with the exhaust on, right? With the exhaust on, so whenever I'm going down the road, need to be quiet. Don't have the neighbors on my ass. Call me the cops. Oh, hood's starting to piss me off. Anyhow. But yeah, and then I get the exhaust still on there. I don't know when I'm gonna weld that. It's still raining a bit. See, it's starting to get wet. So, but I'll do a start up with the straight pipe. Show you how she sounds. Yeah. Awesome. See. It's not that cold in DC right now, because we never even got any snow this year. Kind of sucked. There we go, that's on. Turn that on. Lock the clutch. Lift up the hood. Get to my choke. Choke. Yeah, she runs like a charm. Never had any problems. So sexy with that straight pipe. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe.